Hello my lovelies, welcome to my channel Style by Nahrin, where I discuss fashion and beauty styling tips. I'm still gauging on how I'm going to set up the fashion bits, but until then we're going to keep rolling with the beauty section. Today we're going to go into the Norvina palette. I was so excited that this last weekend at BeautyCon I managed to score a Norvina palette before its actual release. So probably by now that this video is up, it's already starting to sell, but I got one of the last palettes that was there on Saturday. So that was so exciting. I could not wait to start filming with this. So here I am. We're gonna delve into this beautiful palette. And I absolutely am in love with the rose gold in combination with this periwinkle lavender purple shade. Oh, look, my nails actually match our little theme today. Woo! It has 14 gorgeous shades with 7 matte shades and 7 sparkly shades, although Soul actually has a slight shimmer to it. This Soul color is absolutely stunning, along with Wild Child, this soft pink. It's just very, very pretty. And then the rose gold shade, oh my god, it's so beautiful. And then Celestial, which has kind of a blue shift to it. I'm gonna swatch a few of the colors for you. These colors are absolutely beautiful, especially the rose gold shade. This one swatched without any effort. Alright, I'm gonna go in with my trusty Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in Aiden. This thing truly is the best. I never ever have problems with eyeshadow creasing. I know Fenty came out with a new primer, but I'm just so happy with this one from Urban Decay that I feel absolutely no need to try it. So we're gonna tap it lightly with our finger to blend it out. Alright, I'm gonna take my BH Cosmetics marble brush number 8. I'm going to go into the matte pinky shade just below rose gold called Love in the very center of the palette. Whoa, I barely tapped and I got a ton of pigment, so it will have some kickback, but it's not a big deal. I really don't care if it has kickback. Just gently tap it, do not dig, it is pigmented. And I'm going to use this in the crease as a transition shade. Ooh! Girl is pigmented. That's very saturated. We'll see if I can make it work with what I've got in mind for the look. Oh, you know what? It's blending out pretty easily. You can manipulate the product. There, it gave a light wash as I started blending. No panicking. It is so beautiful. You know, transition shades, in my opinion, I think can make beautiful washes of color. Like, you want something on your eyes, but you don't want to put a whole lot of work in, you just want a splash of color. Like, a transition shade like Love all over the lid gives such a beautiful, soft spring look, and I think is very complimentary, and you really don't even need much. You could just put it on, blend, done, lipstick or lip gloss, keys, bag, and go. So when a shadow has kickback, press gently and slowly and pull. You won't get a lot of fallout on your cheeks. Remember, if you ever have a hard time blending with swiping motions, do small circular rotations with the brush and it will blend it out, don't worry. And using the same brush, once I've wiped it on a paper towel, I'm gonna jump in with Soul, the gorgeous color that everyone is going crazy for, me included. And I'm gonna put that in the crease as well. Oh my god, that's beautiful! Sorry if I'm yelling. I'm really excited about this color. You know, you see a ton of shades, you'll see purples, lavenders, but it's a combination between formula and what exact hue or tone of that particular purple it is. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Yes, I'm gonna repeat myself if it's freaking awesome. Now going in the lower lash line, I'm gonna go back in with Love and smoke it up. And now adding Soul closer to the lash line. All of this is using still the same brush. If you struggle with it, you can use a different brush, but I always manage to make things work, so. Alright, I'm gonna go in with number 10 marble brush from BH Cosmetics, the kind of packing brush. I'm gonna dip into Celestial, which is the metallic shimmery violet. I'm placing it in the outer part of the lid. It's going on meh, so we're gonna go in and wet the brush with a little MAC Fix Plus. Much better, but still it's much more pigmented when I swatched it, so I'm probably gonna go back in with a little dab with the fingertips. It immediately just pumped up the eyeshadow. I'm bringing the eyeshadow a little more than halfway across the lid, which pretty much is 3/4 of the lid. And with the same brush, I'm gonna use Wild Child towards the inner corner and out towards the center of the lid. Alright, forget it. I'm not using a brush. The brush isn't even picking up much of the eyeshadow, which is so odd because it goes onto the finger very easily. That's the case with many metallic eyeshadows, but that doesn't mean it's bad. It just means you need to go a different route. Perhaps a different brush, but I'm gonna stick with what's tried and true, which is go in with a finger and apply. See, look at that. Color, instantly. Some colors just don't want to grab onto brush bristles, metallic ones in particular. And I'm applying Celestial to the lower lid or lash line towards the inner portion. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of Dreamer onto the previous blending brush, number 8, and place it on the inner corner. And I always personally like to flick up when doing the inner corner. Now, some metallic shades will cause a cast of shadow, like right here and right here. I know my eye socket has that shape, but it's being more pronounced. So, in order to fix that, I will take the matte shade just below that, called Base, and I will lightly fluff it around this color I just placed. It softened it a little bit, much lighter. Now I'm going to take Dreamer again and place it on the brow bone. I think I want to put a little bit of Wild Child on the inner corner of the lower lash line, just a little bit with the pinky. I apologize if you can't actually see the application, but honestly this is the only way to do it with the eyeshadow packing a punch. Okay, I think we are done with that palette for this look. First I'm going to go in with the He Loves Me Not blush from the NARS and Erdem limited edition collection. And I'm going to take my usual IT Cosmetics brush for Ulta, the Airbrush Powder Wand number 108. And now highlighter. Now we're gonna go in with Anastasia Beverly Hills new Dream Glow Kit, which I've been dying to get. These colors are absolutely gorgeous. They actually look kind of flat and boring in the pan, but when you swatch them, like this ethereal color, that is freaking gorgeous. And unicorn, oh my god. I saw all the girls at the booth wearing this shade. Oh my god, I might go with the combo. And into unicorn we dive with the Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 highlighting brush. Yes. Ooh, I love it. Gorgeous. So beautiful. Ooh, baby, that's a unicorn nose right now. Wow, this is definitely up there with Pat McGrath. I am in love, absolutely in love. It's so intense when I'm looking at it in the mirror, and probably in natural lighting, like out in the sunlight, it's gonna be blinding. Wow. Okay, that is freaking awesome. So happy I got both of these. Alright, and now eyebrows. Gonna go in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer Pencil in the shade Ebony. And we're gonna keep the brows soft for this look. And for mascara, I'm gonna go in with my trusty favorite Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir mascara. To line my lips, I'm gonna go in with an older Gwen Stefani meets Urban Decay liner in the shade Ex-Girlfriend. But you can use any cool nude color. And now for lipstick, I'm gonna go in with Pat McGrath's 1995 Matte Trance lipstick, which is one of my favorite go-to nude colors. Okay, you guys, that's it for this look. I am so happy with this palette. I love this look. The formula is beautiful. It is so pigmented. It has a very luxury feel to the product, and it blended like a dream. Of course, the metallics needed some zhuzhing, so like always, I'll just use a little finger application, but that's kind of normal with almost every metallic shade, even Pat McGrath, so it's just a common occurrence. You know, it's not a big deal. I love that the Dream Glow Kit looks like it just totally works with the Norvina palette. All in all, I love this palette. It's freaking awesome. I'm almost done. Yeah? Oh, Boo Boo thinks I'm pretty. He just walked through the door and said I was pretty. That's okay. Thank you, Boo Boo. If you love purples and rose golds and this sort of elegant ethereal quality to your palettes, this is definitely the one to get. It's gorgeous. Alright, I'm gonna stop talking. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you do, please click the button down below, share it, and subscribe to my channel, and chime in your thoughts in the comments below. I'm very appreciative of your lovely and sweet comments. And until the next video, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful rest of the day. Thank you so much again. I will see you soon in the next video. Take care.